So far.
Yeah, it's one of those days where it really does depend on right where you are. And farthest away from the ocean, that's where we popped up a few thunderstorms. Nothing severe, but there are some downpours, a little thunder and lightning approaching Route 2 right now, coming through Bethel, Newry, Rumford as well. And this is moving to the southeast, so if it holds together, places like Woodstock and Peru in the next 45 minutes will be getting into some of this. But again, it just looks like some rain, thunder, and lightning at the moment. Across the rest of the state, big range in temperature. We've had more clouds and fog over down east, a wind coming in off the ocean, not quite as hot there, but once you get to central and western Maine, it is hot. It's 86 in Lewiston, 89 in Sanford, 91 in Portsmouth, and it's coming with very high humidity, dew points up into the low 70s, and it's going to remain muggy all night long tonight. This front slowly moves through and then kind of sits offshore tomorrow, and it's going to really have to wait for this front to give it a push Thursday into Friday to finally get us into more comfortable air later this week. So if you're stepping out this evening, a few showers and storms will be around. The best chance will be farther inland. And then overnight tonight, with that front just hanging offshore, could be a few showers along the coastline very early tomorrow morning. And then that should nudge away, but there will be some clouds that hang around, mainly high-level clouds. So a mix of sun and clouds through the day tomorrow. The wind does change direction though, and we could get into the upper 80s to near 90 on the south coast. Probably not quite as hot around the mid coast and down east, where there may even be a little fog that lingers tomorrow. But overall, for most of us, a very summery day tomorrow. Mid to upper 80s across much of the state. A little bit cooler Rockland, Bar Harbor, and the down east coast, but a warm one coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow night, that next front is approaching, and on Thursday we'll probably start with some sun, and then during the late morning and midday, clouds bubble up, and there's a chance for another thunderstorm that comes through Thursday afternoon. And this is the front that really changes the air as we head into the 4th of July. Dew points will be off the charts low for Friday and Saturday. The 4th overall looks like a pretty good day. Sunshine, highs in the low to mid 70s, except if you're up north, it will be cooler there. And there's a chance for a pop-up shower Friday afternoon, especially in northern and eastern Maine, but I think most of the day will be dry. It'll just be comfortable, and if you're going out for fireworks, temperatures by that point will be dropping to around 60. Saturday looks good, and then we get back into the heat Sunday and Monday. It looks like as we end the holiday weekend and head into next week, we'll have temperatures back up around 90. Here's the marine forecast for tomorrow. Seas 2 to 3 feet with a light southwest wind on the water. So a few showers and storms out there tonight, and then tomorrow we'll have a mix of sun and high clouds, highs between 85 and 90. Scattered storms Thursday afternoon, and then that's with a front that drops the temperatures and the humidity for the 4th of July. Right now we think it's a pretty good looking forecast. Temperatures in the mid 70s, except if you're way up north. Maybe a pop-up shower, but we should be dry. And then it turns hotter and more humid Sunday into Monday. We could have temperatures, especially away from the coast, back into the mid 90s early next week. So big swings here.
Yeah.
And it's kind of funny that the coolest and most comfortable day is the 4th. So I think for most outdoor plans, it's in good shape.
Which is the best news, right?
Yeah.
Everything will go on.
Exactly.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.